Nilight LED light. The Nilight LED light is a high-quality lighting solution that offers a unique and vibrant color in an elegant design. Crafted with durable aluminum material and finished with alloy and aluminum, this product is built to last. One of the key features of the Nilight LED light is its LED light source. LED technology is known for its energy efficiency and longevity, making it an ideal choice for any lighting application. With this light source, you can enjoy bright and vibrant illumination while minimizing energy consumption. The shade of the Nilight LED light is made of polycarbonate, PC, which ensures durability and resistance against impacts and harsh weather conditions. This makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, providing you with versatile lighting options. Installation is quick and easy, thanks to the user-friendly design of the Nilight LED light. It can be effortlessly mounted on various surfaces, allowing you to personalize your light. LED technology is known for its energy efficiency and longevity, making it an ideal choice for any lighting application.